Post-construction termite treatment must include a proactive plan to prevent reinfestation and colony rebound. Start by maintaining bait stations and inspecting them at least every 3 months to confirm active foraging and bait consumption. Replace bait or adjust placement when activity drops or when stations are damaged. Schedule thorough inspections by a trained technician twice a year for the first 2 years and at least once a year thereafter, because early detection of new mud tubes or frass lets you act before colonies establish. Address environmental attractants by removing wood-to-soil contact, storing firewood away from the foundation, fixing leaky gutters and vents, and reducing excessive moisture around foundations using grading and targeted drainage improvements. If construction or landscaping disturbs treated zones, retreat those specific areas promptly using labeled termiticide or baiting techniques suited for the soil and structure type to restore protection. Maintain continuous barrier integrity by checking for breaches where irrigation, new penetrations, or utility work has occurred, and sealing or reapplying treatments as needed to preserve an unbroken zone of defense. Keep detailed records of treatments, station checks, and inspection findings so trends become obvious and informed decisions about retreatment timing and methods are possible. Common problems include missed bait stations or failed monitoring, which can let a small reinvading colony go unnoticed. So map and mark every station, log checks, and replace components on a set schedule. Another issue is environmental attractants left unaddressed, such as damp wood or poor drainage that will keep drawing termites back. So prioritize simple fixes like reducing mulch depth, rerouting downspouts, and removing cellulose debris. A third concern is compromised barrier integrity after repairs or additions to the property, which creates gaps for termites to enter. So coordinate any construction with prompt localized retreatment and confirm barriers are continuous before closing up work. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to share practical advice about pest control and post-construction care. We host a discussion community where we and other members exchange experiences, ask questions, and help each other find reliable professionals and job opportunities.